Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Organizing small kitchen is must needed, but if we don't have any organizer, then what? No problem, we can organize a small countertop with our trays. I think we all have different types of trays in our kitchen. So why not today we organize our countertop with trays? So let's start. Let's start with this corner. If you don't have cabinets for the pantry, then bring your pantry down to tray. Place those cereals, pulses, etc. that you regularly require. Here I am placing fruit basket and paper roll too. These all are my ideas to organize with the tray, but you can go according to your needs, that how and what type of thing is necessary in your daily cooking. Second important thing that we require in our cooking is oils and spices. So let's organize them in trays. I am using two different trays here. Just don't bother about the look of the tray, just organize everything to make cooking easy. Here I use ceramic pot for spatula and spoons. Ceramic pots that I purchased from local nurseries. And placing my oil bottles. Use one tray to place some of the important spices that we regularly use in our cooking. And decorate with some of the plants. If you have space in counters, then make a separate corner for tea and coffee. Make a tea and coffee station. I am using one table here so that cleaning will be easy, but yeah, we can organize same thing in a same manner in our trays. Take a big tray for this purpose. Arrange all the essentials like kettle, jug, tea, sugar, coffee canisters, cups, cardamom and ginger. In this tray, I place green tea pouches which are used once in a day. Sometimes I forget, so I want it should be in front. I bought this kettle from Mera link BULBUL website. Mera link BULBUL website is a very friendly shopping website. You will get cash on delivery, free delivery and 5 days return policy and deal of the day. You will get appliances and other variety of products in very reasonable rate. You will get link of the Mera link website in a description. You can just click and check it. And you can place your order in a WhatsApp number given on the screen. Keeping small tray is necessary. Now tea and coffee station is ready. We can use old chopping board as a tray. It really gives a stylish look. Here I am placing some of the ceramic jars. In these 2 jars I kept pickles, and in this jar I kept salt. Try to keep same color to give same look and some stylish look. Use one tray above the fridge to organize some of the pantry items. I am placing dry fruits. And just to give it a bright look, I am placing one tea light and one money plant. So guys, I hope these ideas will be helpful for you to organize your kitchen functionally and efficiently with the help of trays. So I request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell, and I will meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.